In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a pipeline in Pipedrive. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need to make, and I'll also point out a few things to keep in mind so you don't accidentally remove something important. By the end, you'll know the quickest and cleanest way to remove a pipeline you no longer need. First, make sure you're logged into your Pipedrive account and you're on the main dashboard. To get started, look over to the left-hand side of your screen and click on the Deals icon. This is usually represented by a small column or board-like symbol, and it takes you straight to your deals board, where all your pipelines live. Once you're on the deals page, move your attention to the top right area of the screen. You'll see the current pipeline name displayed there, which might be something like Sales Pipeline or whatever you've named it. Click on that pipeline name. A drop-down menu will appear, showing you all the pipelines in your account. From this list, select the specific pipeline you want to delete. Take a moment here to make sure you're choosing the correct one, especially if you have several pipelines with similar names. Remember, deleting a pipeline can be a big change, so it's worth double-checking that you're not selecting an active or important one. Once that pipeline is selected and loaded on your screen, look again near the top of the page, next to the pipeline name. You should see a small pencil icon. This icon lets you edit the pipeline settings. Go ahead and click the pencil icon. A settings area will open up for that pipeline. In the top right corner of this section, you'll see 3 dots, which usually indicate more options. Click on those 3 dots to open the additional options menu. From the menu that appears, choose Delete Pipeline. As soon as you click this, Pipedrive will show you a confirmation prompt. This is there to prevent accidental deletions. Read the confirmation message carefully, and if you're absolutely sure you want to remove this pipeline and everything associated with it, click Delete Pipeline again to confirm. After that second click, the pipeline will be permanently deleted from your Pipedrive account. And that's all you need to do. You've successfully deleted a pipeline using just a few quick steps.